Tell me how many legs do they have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. That's right.
And he's wearing a costume.
Oh my gosh, Nora, she is the most sweet person that you will ever meet. When I walk into her classroom, I feel like I want to join with her. I want to get on the floor and join with the children.
And this is how you write number 8.
I love being with these young children. They keep me young. Preschool is a foundation. We're here to mold, to develop their skills. So we teach them physical skills, social, emotional, and cognitive.
10. Give me 5. Yay!
They're eager to learn. Their vocabulary is so rich.
You're gonna buy them at the birthday party.
My grandsons are 4 years old, and they are doing remarkable. I walked in the classroom to pick them up, and she goes, "Oh, I have to show you what we're going to be starting to do."
Cupcake!
I'm thinking in my head, compound words at age 4? You're teaching them already that? She goes, "Oh, yeah, they'll get it quick."
The kid says, "Teacher Nora, what is sunflowers?" And so I start drawing a sun, and then the flower. I said, "Sun plus flower makes," and then they will say, "sunflower."
I think it sets them up for success because they want to go to school rather than having to go to school.
You're dropping your child off, and you know your child's going to be cared for just the way you would care for them at home.
Did you problem solve? Good.
I love teaching preschool. The enjoyment, their faces, their smiles, and their hugs. I want to feel them loved and be respected.
I know ants.
Yes, you remember.
They brought me joy, and that is why I'm still teaching for 35 years.